In these days of water conservation, drip irrigation is the way to go. Ray, tell us how to do it right.
When you have a lot of shade exposures, you kind of want to lean towards the IPM side of it. When you have a lot of spray heads, you're splashing water up onto the leaf, and you can wind up with a lot of foliar diseases. Foliar diseases lead to plant stresses. Plant stresses lead to infiltration of pests and other problems on top of it. What happens there is then you wind up losing your plant materials or having to apply chemicals and products to try and get rid of the problem, not really truly correcting the problem. In the middle of the summer, we've got our beautiful Japanese maple sitting out there, and along comes an afternoon thunderstorm, and 3-4 days later you look at your Japanese maple and go, oh my gosh, what happened to my leaves? That's because of the leaf wetness. So with irrigation and that concept, the more that we apply drip system is we're keeping the water at the base of the plant towards the root where it's better utilized. You wind up saving on water usage. You're not losing it through transpiration and evaporation as it's being shot out across the air. Breezes, strong winds, gusts. You'll be watching people watering their lawns and you got a good windy day and the water is not going anywhere where it's supposed to be designated to. So, and with drip irrigation, you're guaranteed that water usage in that area. It's going to get there, and you don't have to water as often because you're going to keep the water where it is. Whatever surface structure you have, you want to kind of keep that from getting so wet because you wind up with mold and mildew issues. You can wind up with crawl space infiltration, water intrusion on that. Providing drip to those plants, again, you minimalize your water usage so it's getting to the plants itself. And another concept, you're on a well system. That well's not too deep. When you have overhead spray systems, you're going to look at staining. With using drip in that aspect, you're going to keep that water at the surface where it belongs, and you're going to minimize your costs and your expenditures to keep those foundations clean and reduce those eyesores.